Can I check?
This one, what? I think this one is nice.
This one is nice. Okay. Hi guys! Nagpabili po ako ng tripod kay boss. So, ipipix natin siya. Let's watch him how to fix it. Okay, start. Okay. Fix it properly, ah. There's a manual inside.
This is already fixed.
Wow, it's okay. We can fix it like we will show it how to put the phone. So I will know. So every I go out, I can bring this. The bag. So cute, the bag. Come on, I'll give you like 5 minutes to fix.
No.
Cannot? 10 minutes? Ooh, like a robot. How higher? It's only like that? It's so higher than one before.
This one, the clip open. All the clip open fast.
And okay. Open all the. Ooh, there's a long feet.
We have a one broken leg.
Pilay. In Philippines, say it pilay. Broken leg man. Only 2 legs.
You want
Wow.
to open.
It's okay. Like we can show it how long. Wow. It's taller than me. Wow.
Lock.
Oh, Goliath. And then close it. Oh my God. Let's see if I can do it by myself. That one outside.
Open.
Okay.
Lock.
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 Lock. Okay, put. Can you try your phone there?
No, I can.
Oh. So like that. Okay, can you try your phone? Put there and leave.
This
Let's
one
see.
you can put the camera also.
That's why GM asked me, Han. Ate, if you wanna do vlog, you can buy
Here
the small
can put-
camera. It's good.
Here can put the camera as well.
How to upload that one? And you can Bluetooth that one? Bluetooth to Bluetooth, send it the video from the camera.
I do not know.
Okay.
We see have a level here. This
Level.
level is not okay.
Oh. Like, do you know they measure the land? Right?
Yeah.
They are the same. Okay. And then, put the phone where? You have already 3 minutes. See, so fast. You said you can't 5 minutes. That's my boss, guys. Very supportive to my channel. Oh, don't break it. Did you break it? So how to put my phone? Eee. Then whoa. So can you try your phone there? Is it taller than me? That is fixed na, all like that. Ooh. Wow, taller than me. Balance na.
Okay, this balance no problem.
Okay, I wanna see only how to put the phone, and then let's try to put your phone. Not my phone, because I'm holding my phone. Okay, I will come here. It's so high. So tall. Okay, how to example, I wanna look down the camera. Okay. Oh, can do like that also. Yeah, should be the size of the YouTube is like this. So
Only this much down now.
cannot go down like that. Cannot like that. So how if you cook like only this one?
Because this one only moving under here.
Before you try.
Maybe wait.
You have already 7 minutes na, darling. I don't like this side. My view is not nice.
Not this one. No more.
The one like before we try, we pull it down, am I right? The other one. This one.
Only like this.
Cannot more down. This one, can you? It's okay na like that, see? Down. The camera. Here na, am I right? While until only like that. It's okay now, we can fall down na this one. So can you teach me how to? Okay. Okay, you have 8 minutes, almost 10 minutes. Can you teach me how to pull it down, this one? Then
Pull
where
it down where?
This one. Until
Down?
here, yeah.
Left,
Yeah.
right,
Okay.
up,
And,
left, down.
Okay, done. Okay. And then close. You can. Okay, I will try alone till later. Yay! Thank you for buying me
Yeah.
tripod.
Like this.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Hey boss. I love it. Bye.
Bye
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Nuguda, my Tamiya. Close. This one open. Close. Open. Lock. Open. Lock. Make a shot. This one push up. Close. Should be legs up. Wait. Yes. Should be. This and then